Now the thing is, we want to create a responsive. How we can? If I scroll like this, so I want to create, if I like this, the side going to under here, and the width a chance to be a 100%, and I want to like that. So let's see, do it some inside here. You can create media, screen, and max width, and I think it's depending of your width of your number. So we can specify by spec element again, and you can see inside here. So if I like this drag, as you see right here, don't see anything is except here. So let's see. Okay, I think 7. Okay, I think 750, 750. Okay, 750. So 750. Sorry, pixel. And then I want to create content border to none, and then is width 100%, and then the side like to border none, and then width 100%, like this. And then let's see what's happened. Okay, all right, that is very cool. If I open this up from phone, that like this, but the problem is the menu. What is it? So we will implement here in this video. So let's see, if I scroll to desktop, it changed to be here. But if I create open this up as something like iPhone or tablet, it aside a change to under here under a section content. I think that is very cool. You can make a responsive, but what we need to do again to make it header, each one to font size going to be 14 pixel, I think not, but 300 pixel. Okay, that is very cool. And then header, I'm gonna padding this up for okay, like that. You see, okay, that is very bad, ugly. So let's create 2, and then see again. Okay, that is very cool, I think. And then what we want to do is create this container to be not for 80%. So let's create container 100. I think that's much better. All right, that is very cool. So we have it. Okay, the problem is we create a number to click and sprite to bottom. So let's create inside here nav li with 100%, and then see what we got. All right, like this is very cool, I think. What we want to do inside here, inside here, you need to create a div called handler under menu. Okay, I think you just create div not for li handler, and you can create inside under your name, and inside here you can create a padding 20 pixel, and then a color white, and then a cursor is finer. Okay, like that. So let's see. Okay, we got this, the menu inside here. We got some result. So we need to change the background to be here. Okay, that's cool. So what we need to do is to make here a display unknown inside desktop, but inside phone we created a display block. So handler block like that. Okay, we can create like this. Okay, it is display automatically. That is very what we want exactly. So what we need to do again to make this is going to nav all, going to height, max height, I think going to be no, like that. So let's see, it's nothing. But at this point, what we want to do is make if I click the menu, I think the menu, oh yes, it's nothing, because what, we fought deep under here. It should, it's inside here at the top of all ul. So let's see exactly what we want. So now what we want to do, if I clicking here, it's sprite to bottom. So I'll see you in the next video.